Hello students, welcome to summer vacation activity. So, we are going to learn colors and their names. All the students repeat after me. So, let's start it. Red, R-E-D, red. Orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Green, G-R-E-E-N, green. Sky blue, S-K-Y-B-L-U-E, sky blue. Dark blue, D-A-R-K, B-L-U-E, dark blue. Black, B-L-A-C-K, black. White, W-H-I-T-E, white. Purple, P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. Brown, B-R-O-W-N, brown. Silver, S-I-L-V-E-R, silver. Pink, P-I-N-K, pink. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe for more content. Follow us for more educational videos.